Students, today we are going to the next section, the divisibility rules. The divisibility rules is a shortened way. Is a given integer is divisible by fixed divisor without the division. That is the divisibility of rules. There are 6 types will be there. First type, divisibility rule of 2. Divisibility rule of 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. Even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, isn't it? So the even numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. Okay. Now look at the example. 2472 is divisible by 2. This is the largest number, no? You can say whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Just looking the last digit, isn't it? The ending with 2, isn't it? So that is the divisible by 2. Then second rule, divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit of that number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit, okay, sum of the digit, the number is divisible by 3. Now look at the example, 2421. 2421. Sum of the digit. Now look at here, what number will be here? 2. So you are write a number 2, then plus 4, then plus 2, then plus. That is sum of digit, isn't it? 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 we can divide it by 3, isn't it? 9 is divided by 3. Yes, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we can divide it by 9 as 3, isn't it? So this number is divisible by 3 because the sum of digit is the number is 9. So that is divisible by 3. Third type, divisibility rule of 4. Rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are both 0 or the number formed by the last digit is divisible by 4. Okay, last 2 digits are both 0 or the number formed last 2 digit is divisible by 4. It is the rule of 4. Now look at the example, 3800 and 1448. Now look at first number 3800. So the last 2 digits are 2 zeros, isn't it? So the number is divisible by 4. Now look at the second number 1448. 1448. The last 2 digits make a 48, which is divisible by 4. So the number is divisible by 4. Okay. Then fourth type, divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Now look at example 1405 and 3100. Look at the last digit is 0, okay, or 5. First number 1405. So the last number is ending with 5, isn't it? So the number is divisible by 5. Then last digit is second number is 0, isn't it? So 3100. Second number last digit is 0. So the number is always also divisible by 5. Then fifth rule, divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. The sum of divisible by 9 is sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Now look at the example, 1755 is equal to sum of digit 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. We can add at 1 plus 7, yes, 8. Then 5 plus 5, 10. So 10 plus 8 is 18, isn't it? So you can add it from 18. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So we can come to the sum of digit is 9. So that is a divisible by 9. Now this rule is similar to the 3, isn't it? the number of the all numbers divisible by 3 are not divisible by 9. Okay. Last rule, divisibility rule of 10. Divisibility rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit of the number is 0. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit of the number is 0. Now look at 3890. The number is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. Okay. Dear children, just you can take your note and pencil, write a divisibility rule of 6 types in your maths note one time. Thank you.